The Meghalaya government has extended the deadline for submission of no objection certificates by community-run Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan schools to May 15th. In a high-level review meeting chaired by Education Secretary Vijay Kumar Mantri, the department also decided to fast-track the rationalization of SSA teachers by end of May to address teacher-student imbalances across schools. So far, over 2,000 community-managed schools have expressed willingness to transfer management to Education Department.
With SSA teachers, we had a meeting with regards to the submission of NOCs from the community managed SSA schools. So initially the deadline was given, but today we had decided to extend the deadline up to May 15th because we are seeing that many of the community managed SSA schools still have a lot of queries, still have a lot of doubts. So because of that, we had decided to extend the deadline to 15th of May.
They were referring to about some uniformity in sending letters. What does it mean?
Uniformity in sending letters. Because right now we are concentrating on community managed SSA schools. So there are also other SSA schools which are being managed by the religious groups, by private individuals. So as of now, the format which we have designed from the Education Department, that is specifically for the community managed schools. All right. So Commissioner and Secretary had also informed that for the others, like for example, those run by religious groups and those run by private individuals, they have to give a letter of consent in writing. That means it will not be in a standard format as per the one which is for the community managed schools.
You are also referring to some rationalization of schools.
Okay, rationalization of schools was another aspect which we discussed because they had raised concerns about schools having no teachers, schools having many students and less teachers. So we had actually discussed this matter at length. We understand rationalization is a very complex process, but we had instructed all the the SDSEOs, all right, and the DSEOs to look into this entire process. So what we are doing now is that we are looking, like for example, government schools, the rationalization of moving teachers. Say for example, if they have two teachers, say in a school which has only 15 or 20 students, so one teacher has to be moved to another school which has better enrollment. So we are looking at government to government, and maybe for the SSA schools also we are looking at SSA to SSA. So in certain situations, like for example in certain situations where it is extremely difficult, then we might even explore the possibility of temporary, all right, on a temporary basis we can just attach an SSA school teacher to a government teacher only on a temporary basis till the regular appointment is being done.
Meanwhile, Aristotle Rimbai, president of Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association, said the department will issue a fresh uniform notification to school management committees for better clarity. He emphasized that the rationalization process, pending for months, must be completed within May and will include government to government, SSA to SSA, and mixed transfers. Rimbai also welcomed the move, calling it a long overdue but constructive step.
Today's meeting is chaired by the Commissioner and Secretary Education Department, Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri, in the presence of the Director of School Education and Literacy, and also the DSEOs and SDSEOs from across the states were also present. Together with the three associations, that is the Meghalaya SSA School Association, the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, and the Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association. So in today's meeting, we have the Commissioner Secretary have shared us the data, the roughly data of the community school who have submitted their willingness to hand over the management from SSA to the Education Department. So out of 3,000 plus community schools across the state, 2,000 plus community managed SSA school have submitted their willingness to hand over the SSA school from means the management from SSA school to the Education Department. Number two, we have also discussed regarding the non-uniformity of issuing of notification or letter to the SMCs pertaining to obtaining the willingness NOC from them regarding to hand over the management from SSA school to the Education department. So after detailed deliberation on this issue, unanimously we have taken a decision that the department will issue once again the notification to all such school with clear clarification and justification regarding the initiative taken by the education department to take over the SSA school to the education department. That is point number 2. Point number 3, we have discussed regarding the rationalization of SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya. As you all aware, we from the 3 association, we have raised this issue since November last year. Now it's almost 6 months. This issue is still pending, means the process is still continuing. So after detailed discussion and deliberation, unanimously we have taken a decision that the entire process of rationalization should be completed by May end of this year. Means by the month of May of this year, the entire process should be completed, and it should be in 3 categories. The first category will be between government and government school, respective maybe LP or UP school, and the second category will be from SSA to SSA school, and the third category will be mixed, means from SSA to government or from government to SSA school. So these are the few points which we have discussed in today's meeting.
How is this going to help you? If you can repeat that again, please.
Yeah, actually this initiative taken by the government is a very, we can say it's a constructive effort. It's a very, it's a very productive. This process should be done long time back by the past government. So we are very thankful to this present government for taking this initiative to solve the long pending issues of the SSA teachers community.
And how many teachers are there on board with this?
The SSA teachers, there are 12,541 SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya, and the 4 teachers are 1,521 4 teachers are there.